Good morning, everybody. We are going to do something kind of exciting today. We are going to adopt our first livestock or animals, I guess, or whatever.
They're not animals.
I don't know, whatever they are.
Livestock. It's our first livestock on the homestead.
We are going to stock some of our ponds. I'm not sure about this one, but definitely the one in the back. We want to get some carp to clean up the algae, maybe some catfish for eating and just sport
fishing.
catching, and then we'll see what else they recommend. We don't have huge ponds, but we do have 3 of them on the property. But we're heading to the fish farm right now, and we're going to take you guys along. I don't know how much we'll be able to film inside, but
we're going to try our best.
Yeah, and then we'll come and release them and hopefully get our first living animals here that, you know, that belong to us other than the ones running around the woods.
We got plenty of them.
So check it out. All right, they told us to bring some containers to put the fish in. They'll provide the water, so we're just bringing what we got to get them home. All right, we made it, guys. Hopefully these fish survived. It was a bumpy ride. But let's get them out.
Are you just going to grab them and fling them?
I'm just going to. All right, so these are our catfish and 1 carp. There they go. Swim that way. They're off. Wrong way, dude.
Go the other way, dummy.
There you go.
Dumb.
Going the wrong way, dog. Wrong way.
What is wrong with them?
Come on, go this way. Go this way.
Just throw them out there.
I'm about ready to. They beach themselves. There he goes.
There you are, buddy.
That one's going.
Where'd the other one go?
That one's going that way. Got one over there, got one going that way. I see him.
You got some flicker. Oh, that's you.
And this guy, come on, dude. There he goes. He's gone. Get out in the deeper water. All right, so now we need the other guys. I'm gonna take a couple of the carp for the other pond.
Is it mud or water?
Hmm?
Oh, I didn't know if you were only able to grab
water in here.
Mud.
Slippery. Slippery when wet. Oh, easy, dude. Can't hurt yourself. Alright. So these guys need to go over. I may need your help.
Oh God. Well, those were a little smarter than the last ones.
All right, so that's that pond. So let's go get the other ones up in the other pond. We'll come back and check on them. There's still a couple swimming out, the little guys.
None of them are stuck in the mud, are they?
I don't think so. The little ones are pretty small. So.
Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Sit, sit, sit. Come on. Come on. Lay down. Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? Oh, oh, oh. There's a spoil. Don't fall.
Let that sink out of sight. Go the other way, guy. Go the other way.
Are they stuck?
He's heading the wrong direction. Come on, man.
Why are catfish so stupid?
They're carp.
Oh, it's the carp doing that?
Yeah. I just don't know where they are. Come on, man. You're going the wrong way. There you go. There you go.
Mm-hmm. And this is why I'm still rolling.
Okay. I think they're good.
Go out?
I think they're good. We'll see if they make it. It's very traumatic.
All right, so as you saw, we fumbled a little bit, but we got them in the pond.
I think I did most of the fumbling in the mud there. But anyway, yeah, so to give you guys an overview of what we did, we have 3 ponds on the property. We have the one here in the backyard, we have the one in the pasture, and then we have the one in the woods. The one in the woods is actually the biggest one. We haven't really blazed a trail to it yet, so we're not stocking that this year. We put most of the fish in the pasture pond because we want carp to clean the algae out. We want the catfish for a potential meat source, and then we got some bluegills to be feeder fish and I don't know, just kind of populate the pond a little bit. And then we put a couple carp here in the backyard pond mainly for cleaning the algae, so hopefully they make it.
Yeah, we did this in hopes that once these get all clean, next year we can go ahead and maybe throw some more in there, maybe diversify a little bit.
Right. We'll see if they take. Hopefully we can kind of get some good stock in there and just keep adding to it. To give you guys a recap of what we bought and how much it came to, we bought 15 true bluegills, 2 to 4 inch. We bought 2 6 to 8 inch catfish, and we bought 6 8 to 12 inch grass carp. The total price for all of them was $53.35. So again, that's not a big investment if they do what they're going to do, and hopefully most of them will survive. But we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. And you did a good job. You didn't end up flopping into the mud, so we'll give you props on that one.
It's a little touch and go.
So this is our first attempt. If you could say we put our toe in the water on the livestock.
Right, this is our first living thing that we brought onto the property, so yes. More to come.
Yeah.
But thanks guys for watching and just checking out what we're doing over here, and maybe give you some ideas as well.
All right guys, we'll see you on the next one.
All right, take care.
Bye now.